In the land where it all began resides La Casa Agave Conquista. In this household, Tequila 1519 was born, the purest of all agave spirits. From the crossbreed of cultures, we have been inspired. A new tradition is embraced by the place where tequila has been produced for centuries. From the Pueblo Mágico of Tequila, a cultural phenomenon has risen and enchanted many. Now, Agave Conquista proudly presents a spirit that makes us beat and wonder about its identity. Tequila 1519. Homage to the encounter of cultures, traditions, and the arrival of horses to this ancestral land. Breed that was domesticated by indigenous groups over the course of centuries, evolving into what we know today as the Aztec horse, considered being the Mexican horse breed. In this same way, Tequila 1519 is a product of cultural blending, a fusion of mysteries and flavors, which originated as an artisan spirit made of 100% organic blue agave tequilana Weber from Jalisco. Tequila 1519, the blue agave extract from Mexico to the world, the only all-process organic tequila. Our tequila follows the legacy inherited by our ancestors in the production of the finest Mexican spirit, which is produced solely with the best and ripest piñas of agave tequilana harvested in the region. It takes at least 84 months before the plant can be used and enter a delicate and harmonious process. Time and patience, dedication and award-winning production standards. This is part of what it takes to produce Tequila 1519, and it all starts with the crop. The tequila careful process begins with the delicate selection of selected shoots, small agave plants that are separated from the mother plant. They are then cultivated for more than 84 harmonious months in which nature and man come together to produce the harvest, the piña. After wading and gripping in the rich soils of the city of Tequila, the harvesters then masterfully cut the leaves and extract the core of the agave. This avid process is passed down from one generation to the next, and it is carried out manually using traditional methods. This process is known as the jima. After these harvested piñas have been carefully and traditionally selected by the jimador, Casa Agave Conquista then tests them with world-class standards for quality control in order to produce not only the highest quality tequila, but also the highest quality of 100% organic tequila. After these thorough tests are completed, it enters a warmer and intense phase, the cooking. The cores of the agave plant are placed in traditional brick ovens, where the steam softens their thick body for approximately 50 to 72 hours, converting the core's carbohydrates into sugars suitable for fermentation and extraction. The extraction process is then carried out, a process that is intense and giving. At this stage, the cooked agave cores are crushed in sugarcane mills to extract their flavorsome juices. Then the addition of water from the well is carried out, a step that preserves the flavors of unmatched quality. Only then is the all-organic yeast added to the juices or musts. Fermentation. During this process, the yeast transforms the sugars into alcohol that give the base characteristics of the tequila. distillation. Even though it has evolved with technological advances in such colossal ways since the years of the Conquista, it is still a procedure that is carried out in old-fashioned stills. These stills are specially designed with cutting-edge technology to reach the standards of specific degrees of alcohol needed to produce a crystal-clear liquid, which is considered 100% pure organic tequila blanco. Some of this rich tequila blanco is then passed down to a maturation process that consists of the slow transformation through which the tequila acquires additional sensorial features through aging processes. This process is specific to our tequila reposado, which is stored for a minimum of 2 months. Our tequila añejo is stored for a minimum of 12 months in our French and American oak barrels. The Casa Agave Conquistas barrels give features such as aroma, taste, color, and texture naturally through all organic processes barrels that give our Tequila 1519 their final touch of distinction and refinement. This rich all-organic tequila is then passed down to our avant-garde bottling plant, where the award-winning spirit produced by Casa Agave Conquista is placed into an elegant bottle worthy of carrying Tequila 1519, sealed by an all-organic cork that encloses the spirit until our valued customer finally enjoys it. The production of Tequila 1519 is an art and a Mexican tradition in its purest form. A spirit that proudly carries on centuries of tradition. Enjoy the fascinating world of Tequila 1519. To drink it is to be introduced into a dimension of legends. This is 1519.